Lipids are substances that can be extracted from cells or tissues by nonpolar organic solvents. And let's just look at the two different types of lipids that we'll cover. So the first type is known as a simple lipid. So what makes a simple lipid is just the fact that they are easily hydrolyzed. An example of this is glycerides and waxes. So another type of lipid is a complex lipid. So these are not easily hydrolyzed by an acid or a base. And an example of this is a steroid. Moving on to fatty acids. So fatty acids, these are types of carboxylic acids. However, they have a carboxylic acid end, and then the other end is a really long carbon chain. And by a really long carbon chain, I mean the carbon chain is typically 12 to 20 carbon atoms. So it could look something like this, where it could be saturated. Remember, if something is saturated, that means everything is a single bond.